Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 GMC Sierra half-ton Denali Ultimate equipped with a 6.2 liter. On the front end of the vehicle we have full LED headlights with LED fog lights. Under the hood sits a 6.2 liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 22-inch aluminum wheels, heated power folding mirrors with integrated turn signals, and power running boards. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as an easy lift and lower tailgate and tonneau cover. This Denali has a towing capacity up to 9,100 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as a Bose audio sound system, our automatic four-wheel drive controls and automatic headlight controls with automatic high beams. This Denali is also equipped with a power sunroof, as well as heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, and all-weather floor mats. Also equipped is forward collision alert, a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls as well as lane keep assist with lane departure warning. We also have a wireless charging pad for convenience, and on the vehicle's key fob we have our remote start and entry buttons. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.